Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. Cosine 2x, that is about number 1 minus 2 sine s squared. So we need to transform this one into this one. So 1 minus 1 we cancel, negative negative we have positive. We know that cotangent s, that is about cosine s over sine s, and this sine s will go in here. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have cosine s ds. This one we change for u. Cosine s ds we change for du. And this one we can put like this. I will put 1 over 2 go outside. This one that is about u to the power of negative number 3. So the integration of this one, we have u to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1, and I will put about c. So this one that is about negative number 4, negative number 2, negative number 2. About u, that is about sine s. And now we can simplify number 2 and negative number 2. We have negative 1 over 4. And this one we can put 1 over sine s squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.